Hernandez. Mata kabul. Nomor rebound Buki. Buki diputar di Buki. Patuntan ang langis Seven na barangay 7. Patuntan pasto ang laban. Ramones! Okay. Booking on. Booking pass to Lumata to Fernandez. Fernandez to Booking. Booking foul. Ramones. First personal foul. First foul. Matuntan to Ramones Santres.
Nice one! Kuya ko yan!
Fernandez.
Kuya mo yun?
Talaga.
Fernandez ngayon. Tupuntan sa tres. Power rebound by Buke. Obina. Obina ngayon.
Kalmahan nyo lang mga
Matuntan. Lucky 7. Lucky 7 tayo ngayon ng bola. Lucky 7. Ramones 2. Reynanda sa tres. Tama na yun. Hernandez. Hernandez ngayon. Pass to Purtan. Purtan.
Nice one. Ay! Nice one, nice one. Salak. Op.
Simbol. Simbol.
Uri buku. Ya, kita may kang patay mo.
Matundan.
Oh, hinahawakan niya.
Simbol.
Kupal.
Simbol.
Oh, yung tip.
Hawo.
Dia by Buke. Hernandez again.
Nice one. Oh, nice one. Ah?
Iya kabab ang matalik kong kaibigan. Ew! Willis.
Piling na lang po kayo.
Lumanda tuba. Overtime. Ulit sa ganyan na. Agad for rebound by Reynachado Becerra Morris. Isian. Siman.
Mutig yun, di ko naliro.
Tusok.
Last 3 in 7 seconds. Portal.
Nice one. Sigurado, Arjen. Nice one.
Hernandez. First foul. Last one.
Sana all ganyan mag-video yung mga
9
video.
seconds. Inbounding.
Gadaw Lyra.
Nako.
Dawa tumunod na.
Magbibigyan din na naman.
Renancia.
Namay na ninyo yan lahat.
Ross Cubata. Lagot pag-rebound. O Pidalagot.
Ano ba yan?
Sable.
Nice one.
Awesome lead.
Rabulan.
Shot clock 7.
Yan.
5 to shoot.
Pagpagyan.
Renancia again.
Kala ko.
Bagus ang rebound Portan. Bagus ang rebound Ross.
Nice one sa amin. Amin.
Turnover. And running. Ross Wata. Madundan.
Busy siya.
To Ramores. Ramores to Rusco.
Ano? Sabay ka pa.
Hernandez.
Mukhang lalaki.
Lumata. 14 to shoot.
Patay.
Ten to shoot. Rebound. Ramores. To Renancia. Official running score. 30 against 5. Basket nila.
Andiyan na.
Yeah. Sige po. Reserve timeout.
Huwag na mo tayo mo.
And the shoot. Hernandez going for 2.
Mad.
5 seconds. Sige kuya.
Shoot.
Walang maligan.
Dapa! Oh! Counted!
Going for 2. Rasco. Dati lang. 15 against 7. Ross Wata.
Likod! Up, amin. Nice one. Oh, shoot mo.
Renancia! Inis na mo na yan! Amay! Our rebound by Mr. Fernandez to Pana. It's a counted foul. Canyelas, first team foul. Dati lang. 9 ACE. 10 color. Lucky 7.
Nice one.
Foul booking.
Nice one.
First. Shot up. 16.
Ay, mula. David. David, go. Gol.
Yes. Canyelas to Pana. Booking.
Sige na, sa Indo na kan chow. Basta sa muda na.
Daniela, Skuro squad ha. Skuro, pass to.
Oh! Oh! Mapajeli ka pa, boy.
Where to shoot?
Oh! Ay, gogi ka, bilis. Nice one.
Maganda. Daniela to Reynanza sa 3. No good. Ubida. Ubida. Hindi makapagpagan. Wag.
Nice one.
Time out.
Ayan.
Complete free throw. Abaisa. Wala. Air ball. Turnover. Official running score. 20-16. Last 2 minutes and 3 seconds. What a good,
Likod!
Good to shoot. Good. Last 1 minute and 12. Let's up. 20. All 20. Reynanza sa 3. Lista mo na yan. Change favor. Last 1 minute. Rebound. Turnover. That's 50. It's Tata. Good. Okay. Good. That's 20.
Tira!
That's 35. That's 30. They're stepping on the line. That's good on the line. Last 28. Last 28.
Sa Luria, Pellegrino.
Last decision. Rush one out. Roll. Stop again.
Nice one!
Number 2. Ramon.
Bilis naman. Ito pag maibang nila.
Last 15. Turn up. Respond! And off the stop. Roswata ang bola, back to Matundan.
Patay. Nice one.
2 points. Hernandez.
Go!
Cristian Duque.
Go! Pinapaganda. Yun naman talaga.
29-24. In favor of Goldaros. Duque.
Steady.
Lumata. Lumata. Herbal. Rebounding Ubida pass to Matundan. Kurang boleh.
Wait lang kasi pre nagbibideo ako. Grabe mainit.
Ibon. Shot up for team.
Wait lang kasi pre nagbibideo ako.
Point number 2. Palacio.
Ano? Tinan mo nagdidiwang ko. Tira!
Pamores. Terus kumpulkan ayat dengan terlibat di Fernandez. Fernandez ginagawa bola. Fernandez. To Palacio.
Ano man yan? Nice!
Foul. Fernandez.
Nice one!
Second. First team foul.
Sekonda.
Matundan. Foul Reinancia. First rebound.
Nice one. Arjen.
Yes, shoot. Yes.
Hindi ako yun hindi ako yun.
Numbers ready. 27 against 32. 28 runner.
Ano daw?
28 against 32.
20.
Basketball na.
Kalma daw!
Reinancia
Patay mo.
Nagumba na.
Depensa!
Hernandez nagumutang rebound kay Ignacio. To Duque.
Ah, nice one! Kuya ko yan! Oy! Hawak mo na! Nice one! Isa pa dyan! Ay, balik mo! Nice one! Tira! Diyos ko naman!
Last 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Hawak! Hawak lang!
Bukidado.
Sabi naman kasi.
Time out. Yeah. Bukid. Bukid nakalusot. 4-point lead. Boleros. Ramones to
Dapat
Hernandez.
hindi na muna sila lang.
Time out. Second foul.
Basta!
Last 40 seconds. No good for that. To Bukid.
Nice one! Iwan ka, boy!
Yes.
Nice one!
Foul. Obana. First. Second.
Nakadoon pa ka dyan.
Last 26 seconds. No good in the last row. Jumpers ready.
Ay, Diyos ko! Saba!
Again.
Nice one!
Three, 131.
Nice one.
Fernandez.
Nice one.
Third team foul.
Nice one. Isa pa. Diyos ko naman. Nice one.
And the last row. Jumpers ready. Last 24 seconds.
Isa pa. Okay, tatlo.
Forward again, completely throw. Shot lock off.
Sayang.
Last 15.
Nice one.
Jonabel.
Nice one, nice one.
Last 13.
Time out lang ba?
10.
No. Wag na, boy. Ah! Bolang bol.
Third team foul. Oras. Ha? 0.6.
Ano yan? Arjen.
Point. Number 20. Official running score. 34 against 38.
May pansit kayo.
35 brother.
Iwan na lang.
Unahan to Buke. Buke pass to Fernandez. To Purdan. Fernandez.
Paikot na wala. Step.
Good.
Deadlock. Tira!
Cross Kuwata. No good.
Oh.
Kanya.
Huli! 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 Oh! Oh, wala pang foul. Nice! Ah! Bumog na tayo raw.
Time out. Walk video kali.
Isa lang!
No good. Dali lang. 34 47 against 40. Boleros. Tunay puluhan.
Huli! Le! Ganda!
Ramos. Ramos, pinalamin ang oras. Ramos.
Ah! Ikaw ah!
Matundan. Time to shoot. Matundan.
Nice one!
Bernard. Bernard, pwede na shoot. Lawan. Third, save ball.
Nice one! Third na yan! Third na yan!
99.9 Germs powerful. Isakan. Matundaan mo Reyna siya, Ruswan Runner. Ruswan na rin doon na siya. Reyna siya, Review. Power down. Dahil
Isa pa! Huli! 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 Nice one!
Jansen Pineda. Reyna siya. Second personal foul for Steve Foul has 2 minutes and 53 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Lahat ng butang
Optical rookie score 44 against 42. 2-point lead Basket Boleros. Ay, 1-point lead Basket Boleros.
1 point lead lang ang basketball.
Yan ang story natin. Lahat. 2 minutes and 45. Madumba.
Ay! Aga pa!
Isay. Matundan. Second personal foul, second team foul by Kalo. Aray ko. Eto na. Fernandez tumurdan. Furdan to Ubana. Ubana to Fernandez. So, time to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Nice one.
Uban na third person foul, second team foul. Last 2 minutes and 8 seconds. 1-point lead Basket Boleros. Matundan yun. Matundan nagagawa Martin. Sa laksa ko, Ruswana.
Ay! Foul! Nice one! Oh! Fourth na yan! Fourth na yun!
There's number 17.
Ay! Ay, sa hindi.
Burtan, Buke. Second, third team foul, last 2 minutes.
Go, Joshua!
To Pamela,
Joshua.
to Bilal.
Isa pa!
From there's number 21. For the last row jumpers ready for
Isa pa!
Ruswana.
Macho talaga yun, boy!
3-point lead. Basket Boleros Fernandez. Bogey. To Canyalas. Tinawag foul. Canyalas. There's for 6. Canyalas. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Last 1 minute and 51 seconds. Before the
Ay.
end of the... Pala to. 2-point lead. Basketboleros. Matundan. Matundan ngayon, haras by Buke. Buke, Matundan. Basketboleros to Buke. Buke,
Uli!
Buke, Buke,
Oh!
Buke.
Nice one!
Here's number 6, Cañelas. Third personal foul, warning for penalty. That's 1 minute
Okay lang yan,
and
okay lang yan,
30
pre.
seconds for team to shoot. In the free throw area, Mr. Buke, the first round
Nice one,
of
nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. Isa pa, isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa.
47 against 50. Buke connect for 1. Matundan. Matundan again. Matundan. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Cañelas. Itinawag.
Nice one.
There's number 1 for dunk. First personal foul. Warning for penalties. Last 1 minute and 17 seconds. Shot clock 14. Cañelas. Cañelas.
Nice one. Jump ball.
Ball.
Amin, amin. Amin. Doon.
Ball. Ball. Both teams penalty situation.
Nice.
Shot clock 10. Shot clock 10.
Hindi. Hinawak. Kuya, kuya.
Last 1 minute and 6 seconds. Who's correct? Time out. Time out. In the free throw area from jersey number 21, Mr. Riswata.
Joshua.
Joshua Riswata. Please answer.
No, break.
Eto na! Fernandez Ubana! Ubana!
Nice one. Nice one. Bola! Bola! Hawak! 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 Sige! No, 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 no! Oh! Nice one! Ay, dalawa pala yun.
Last 45 seconds. Ano kaya? Sino kaya ang mananalo sa dalawang kupunan? Meron pa kayang game 3? Wala! Natin yan, bukas.
Nice one! Nice one! Hawak! Nice one! Oh! 4 na yan! 4 na yan! Side shot third!
Both teams penalty situation. Both teams penalty situation.
Tangunan yan.
Official one is score 53 against 48.
Silang matundan!
Melanie Calaria.
Kaya lang yan. Taro lang!
Last 38 seconds. Naglaw yung muna.
Laki, isa lang laki.
Oh yeah, this time. Melanie Calaria. One two.
Nice one! Nice one! Oh! 4 na yan! Nice one!
Last 53 seconds.
Go, Joshua! Baho, kayo pa sa'yo. Nice one!
Last 22 seconds. Upawan for foul penalty. Bella. Connect for one. 22.2. Competition number 1, Ray Naksha. Connect for one again. Sabi ni Tabi. Ito na. Miss na lang naman yung yes na. Tinawag.
Ay, yelas na naman.
Last 19 seconds. One for foul out, penalty. T. Miss ka na daw nila, please. Wait natin. Last 19. Connect for one again.
Score! Just score!
Connect for one again. 49 against 57. Okay. Foul yung Pina. First penalty. Big damage 57. 7.8 basket Cularos. Last 13 seconds.
Ay, natuto ka na.
Connect for one. Saan pinala? Connect for one. Reyna siya.
Ako naman ito.
Puntan third penalty na sa 11 seconds. 11 seconds. 52-57. 5.8 basket Cularos.
Kapag yung mga diet,
Okay.
kita yan.
Last 11 seconds.
Kita yan, dala na.
Wala man akong
Connect
magagawa.
for one again.
Tulak.
Bouquet. Last 10 seconds. Goodbye.